Hi, my name is Mustafa Sibai. I am a software engineer, a game developer, and a full stack engineer. And I'm also a games lecturer at SAE. I've worked with multiple game studios, small indie game studios, helping them create their games on both PC and mobile. I've also worked as a game developer, worked as an app developer and a web developer. I've gained experience in full stack development, both front end and back end. I've worked as a game engine developer. I've created multiple game engines in both OpenGL and DirectX. So I teach programming at SAE. We specifically teach the Unity game engine and Visual Studio. We teach C#, the programming language. It is one of the most popular languages for game development. I really enjoy teaching at SAE because I get excited teaching new things. So I work in the industry and I teach at the same time. One of the reasons is whatever new technology that I learned, I get super excited about teaching that. And that's one of the reasons I teach at SAE. We have project-based learning where we give students 13 weeks to create a project in games. The way we structure the program at SAE is as close to the workplace as humanly possible. So when students graduate from SAE and work in the industry, it is pretty much the same exact experience, which is awesome. So at SAE, we have a fully featured games lab with top-of-the-line computers. We also have AR and VR equipment. We teach you everything from artificial intelligence to networking and multiplayer. Students get really excited about multiplayer and how to get a game working online. So at SAE, we host the Global Game Jam, which is a 48-hour game jam where people outside of SAE and students at SAE, they come together to make a game in 48 hours. It is super fun. You get to meet people from the industry. You get to make friends for life. If you love games and if you're excited about games and you want to make games, SAE is definitely the place to be.